the value chain. These are cost categories used for business activities. In our course, we spend most of our time focused on manufacturing operations, and as such, we focus usually on production costs. These costs include direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. But it's important that we recognize production costs are just one category of a whole bunch of other costs involved with getting a product made, distributed, and then eventually into the customer's hands, and the customer support that happens thereafter. Let's take a look at them starting on the left of the screen. We have research and development, design, production costs, marketing, distribution, and customer service costs. In management accounting, these cost categories are what is typically called the value chain. Let's define them one by one, starting with research and development. These are the costs associated with activities aimed at discovering new knowledge, designing potential new products or services, and improving existing ones. Then we get to design. These are the costs related to the planning, designing, and engineering of products or services. Examples include salaries for designers and engineers, the cost of design software and tools, fees for design consulting firms, and expenses for creating product blueprints and technical drawings. Production costs. Hopefully you're getting used to these by now. These are the costs incurred during the actual manufacturing or creation of products and services. These costs include direct materials, otherwise known as raw materials, direct labor, also known as direct manufacturing labor, and overhead costs related to the production process. So indirect manufacturing costs or manufacturing overhead, which we abbreviate as MOH. Moving on to marketing costs. These are the costs associated with promoting and selling products or services. The kinds of things you would think about, like advertising expenses, TV, radio, online, and print, salaries for marketing and sales staff, promotional materials such as brochures and samples, and trade shows and events. Then we get to distribution. These are the costs related to delivering products or services to customers. This includes the cost of operating warehouses, the cost of salaries for logistics and distribution personnel, packaging materials and supplies, and expenses for order processing and delivery. Finally, we move to customer service. These are the costs incurred to support and assist customers post-purchase. These are things like salaries for customer service representatives, the costs for call center operations, expenses for warranty and repair services, customer support and software systems costs, and finally, training costs for our customer service staff. Now, all of these costs can be thought of in yet another way. We could organize it as so. If we think about all of the costs as one having to be incurred before the other and think of them as a flow or a stream of costs, we can look at the top left and think of the costs incurred before production, research and development, and design. Those are known as upstream costs. And then we can think of the costs incurred after production, marketing, distribution, and customer service. Those are all known as downstream costs. I hope you found this quick video helpful. Until next time, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and may your journey be joyful.
Yeah, we start with R&D, where the ideas grow. New products, fresh tech, we're setting the flow. We're brainstorming, testing, making it real. Management's checking, is this a good deal? Then comes the design, make it sleek, make it right. Features, functions, we're taking flight. Plan it out, get the specs on lock. Management's watching, no race on the clock. From R&D to customer love, it's the value chain we're singing of. Every step adding value. making sure we're the best in the land. Making sure we're the best in the land.
We're in production where the magic begins, transforming raw into the latest trends. Materials, labor, we're on the grind. Cost control's key, efficiency we'll find. Then it's marketing time, spread the word, let it fly. Advertising, sales pitch, we're reaching for the sky. Management's tracking every dollar spent. Maximize return, that's money well lent.
From R&D to customer love, it's the value chain we're singing of. Every step adding value, that's the plan. Making sure we're the best in the land. Distribution and customer service. Getting products out the door, warehousing, shipping, customers want more. Logistics on point, no delays in sight. Management's on it, making sure it's right. Customer service, we're here for the crew. Support after sale, keeping it true. Returns, tech help, we've got your back. Customer satisfaction, keeping us on track. Making sure we're the best in the land.
So that's the value chain in a pop tune. From start to finish, we're making it boom. Every phase counts, from the first to the last. Management, accounting, making sure we last.
Yeah. Killing pop tune. From start to finish, we're making it boom. Every phase counts, from the first to the last. Management, accounting, making sure we last.